Hello everybody, in this video we're going to look at another structured question for the periodic table of elements. Now once again, please use the letters given to answer the questions. Do not use the actual symbols of the elements. First question, state the elements that exist as diatom at room temperature. Okay, group 17, they are all halogens. Okay, group 17 elements, they usually exist as diatoms at room temperature. For example, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2. They always exist as diatomic molecules. Di means two, so two atoms in a molecule. So the answer would be D. Next question, write the electron arrangement for atom E. Atom E. So we need to know how many protons there are in atom E. So let's count. This is hydrogen has 1 proton, helium has 2 protons, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So if atom E has 18 protons, therefore it will have 18 electrons. So we write the electron arrangement based on the number of electrons. That's 2.8.8. Next question, draw the electron arrangement in the compound form between A and D. So we know A is in group 1, therefore the ion form will be a positive 1 ion. And D is in group 17. Therefore, the ion form will be a negative 1 ion. So we are going to draw. Okay, so let me just write it down that A is from group 1 and period 3. D is from group 17 and also period 3. Okay, so let us try and draw the electron arrangement of the compound. Okay, so A is from period 3, therefore it has 3 shells filled with electrons. That's 2, 8, and one more shell filled with electron only has 1 electron. Okay, and this 1 electron will be donated to D. Okay, so D, initially it has 3 shells filled with electrons, 2, 8, 7. Okay, so after it receives 1 electron from A, it will be 2, 8, 8 electron arrangement, and this D will become a negative ion. So positive ion and negative ion will attract each other. There is an electrostatic force of attraction, and this electrostatic force of attraction is also known as ionic bond, and therefore A and D forms an ionic compound. Next question, D1 arrangement. Arrange the atom of elements A, B, C, D, and E by decreasing. Decreasing means from big to small. Okay, size of atom. So we have learned that when we go across period, what will happen is the size of the atom will decrease. Okay, size of atom will decrease. So which one will have the biggest size? Alright, so A will have the biggest size, and E will have the smallest atomic size. because they are all A, B, C, D, E, they're all in the same period. Alright, so A will have the bigger size. Let's write down A is the biggest, right? Followed by B, C, D, and E. Explain your answer. Okay, so we say that atoms of A, B, C, D, E have 3 shells filled with electrons. Okay. The increase of the number of protons from A to E, okay, increases the force of attraction between nucleus and electrons. Okay, so therefore the size of atoms, okay, decreases across period. Okay, next question. Write the chemical formula for oxide of element A. Okay, element A is group 1. Right, so what happens is when A, okay, reacts with oxygen, okay, we use the cross method lah. There's 1 charge, 1 positive charge, okay, so we write 1, and for O there's 2 negative charge, so we write the number 2. So we need 2 A plus ions to combine with 1 oxide ion, okay, so that the total charge would be neutral. So the formula will be A2O. Okay, write the chemical equation now for the reaction of oxide A with water. So oxide A, okay, react with water will give you A hydroxide. Right, so this one A oxide, what will happen is it will divide into A plus, and this would be O2 negative. And water, usually it will separate into H plus and OH negative. So the plus ion, the A plus ion, will not partner with O2 negative anymore. It will partner with this OH negative. Okay, so we say that A change partners lah. So A will partner with OH. Alright, and now we need to balance the equation. There are 2 A's and 2 O's and 2 H. So I just put a 2 in front of AOH. So that gives me 2 A's and 2 O's and 2 H. So the number of A's on the left side is 2, number of A's on the right side is 2, number of O's on the left side of the arrow is 2, number of O's on the right side of the arrow is 2, number of H in the left side of the arrow is 2, number of H in the right side of the arrow is 2. Okay, so now it's a balanced equation. So a few drops of phenolphthalein was added into the solution. State the changing of color. So they want the change of color. Alright. So phenolphthalein is an indicator for acid and alkali. When it's in alkali, alright, an alkaline solution, it will be pink in color. Alright. If it's neutral or acidic, it will be colorless. Okay. So at first, the color of phenolphthalein will be colorless, and then it changed to alkaline solution. So colorless solution change to a pink solution. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you.